Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to make single page spreads on Adobe InDesign, I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest method by far on the internet today. So without further ado, let's climb into it. Righto, so we are creating a new document, and the single pages that we want to do, the way to do so is just simply by going to the facing pages here, and we want to deselect this, okay? And all you need to now do is make sure that your page dimensions and your unit of measurement is correct. And once you are done, you can literally go down, click on create, and you'll have single page spreads, as you can see on the right hand side. Now let's add a page. It'll add it to a new spread. Now, if you've already got a document and you have spreads with multiple pages in it, you can actually go up to File, and you can come down here and you can look for document setup, and that will essentially take you back to the previous dialog that we were in when we were setting up this document over here. So here, a number of pages to, and if this is checked on, you can just make sure that it's unchecked. And you can click on OK, and you'll have the exact same setup. So whether you've started your design or not, you can actually change the amount of pages per spread.